Hey guys, is the mic working? Is this getting louder? What was it getting louder? Is this getting louder? Oh, loud. Did it get louder? Tell me. Okay. Now I gotta go find my friend. I'm on a scavenger hunt to find him. I'll go ask, where are you? After this, we're gonna play some Booga hybrid. Wait, is that him? No, it's not him. Yeah, that's him. I found him. Tell him to get on the chair. Okay. 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 Now just grab this. Okay. Now look at this. He grabbed this stuff and I'm grabbing him. So now we grab all of it. And there's also a glitch where you can phase through walls, but you need to be big. Since I'm not big enough to go through this wall, I can't get in. Like, I can't get in this wall because I'm not big enough. But these people can. Is that Dora? Oh. Uh-oh. Okay. No, there's one more glitch. Okay, where is it? Okay, guess what? Looks like I'm using this. I'm going to... Bro. Shoot. Where's the giant candy bar? Where was the last time I moved it? I have to grab this small thing. Okay. Oh my god, this is so glitched. Wait. Where is it? Where did it go? What the heck? Well, I was supposed to jump on this, and then this will come up and then I'll jump on it again. And then it'll make a flying glitch. Bye-bye.